Hey guys, if you want to learn how to generate images without background using Ideogram AI, this video is for you. Ideogram AI is probably the best free mid-journey alternative. I think it's the best image generator at the moment. I have a lot of tutorials about it already. Some of you asked how to generate or remove the background of the images, so that's why I'm doing this tutorial. To do this, just open your browser and go to ideogram.ai. Log in with your account, or create one. In my case, I will log in with my Google account. Now you are in the main page where you can see all the generated images by everyone. To generate our image, we need to describe the image we want at this bar at the top of the screen. In my case, I will do a simple test with a cookie. It's important that we specify a black background. Right here, you could specify any style you want. In my case, I will select a realistic photo style, but you could choose the one you want. Now just click the Generate button and wait a few seconds. So the AI automatically generated 4 images. You can see how good they look like. It's just like a real photo, and no one could guess it's made with AI. Just pick the one you like the most and click the Download button. It will download at a very high quality and with no watermarks. Now to remove the background, we will use another tool called remove.bg. This tool will automatically remove the background of any image in a few seconds. Click the Update Image button and upload the image we just generated. Done! That's how easy this tool removes the background of any image in just 2 seconds. We can now download the full image at a high quality or just the preview. In my case, I will just download the preview. As you can see, it removed all the background. We can compare it to the original images to see it has no errors. Now we could use this image in Photoshop or any other image editor and put it above any other image. I will do another test now. In this case, I will try generating new images of a real person to see how accurate it's in this case. Let's repeat the same process. Just describe the image, which in my case it will be a person eating a cookie, select the style, click the Generate button, and wait a few seconds. Now that the AI generated the images, download the one you like the most. Go to remove.bg and upload it. That's it. In just a few seconds, you got your image without background. Let's compare it with the original one. You can see it's perfect, there are no errors. This AI is very powerful, and it's probably the best one to remove background in no time. You don't need any experience, just upload your image, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.